wondered what it's like to see the world through a photographer's eyes? Welcome to the world of POV photography, where every click tells a story and every frame feels like you're behind the camera yourself. In this video, we'll dive deep into how to capture stunning POV shots, the gear you'll need, and how to create immersive experiences that make viewers feel part of your vision. You're watching Pixel Shouters. Hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell to explore the world of creative photography from a new perspective. POV photography stands for point of view photography. It's all about showing your audience what you see as the photographer, from city streets to mountain trails. It's like taking viewers along for the ride. Whether you're shooting portraits, street scenes, or product photos, POV photography gives a unique, immersive perspective that traditional shots just can't match. To nail POV photography, the right gear matters. Use a GoPro, Insta360, or a compact mirrorless camera with a chest or head mount for stability. And don't forget, lighting is key. Even in POV mode, natural light can make your footage cinematic and realistic. Start by planning your environment. Choose locations with interesting compositions, lines, textures, and motion. Keep your hands in the frame. It adds authenticity. Move naturally, as if you're exploring, not performing. Use autofocus tracking so your subject stays sharp even while moving. Remember, the best POV shots feel spontaneous, like your audience is right there with you. Once your shots are ready, edit them to tell a story. Use warm tones and slight contrast to enhance realism. Add subtle background music, something that matches your mood and pace. If you're editing a POV video, use smooth transitions and avoid harsh cuts. The goal is to make the audience feel your creative flow from start to finish. POV photography is blowing up on YouTube, Instagram, because people crave authenticity. It's more than just photography, it's storytelling from the shooter's eyes. Viewers love the connection, the realism, and the feeling of stepping into your shoes. And that's exactly what makes POV photography such a powerful creative tool. So, are you ready to start your own POV photography journey? Drop a comment with your favorite gear setup and tag your next post with hashtag POV photography. Thanks for watching, and remember, the best view is your point of view.